Hi, welcome to this Let It Out 100 video series. We all in our lives, at one point or the other, meet people who have high esteem and others who have high egos. There's a difference between esteem and egos. But what's important is how you look into the mirror, and is the person in the mirror also having the same ego? If he's having the same ego, there are things that we need to do to get it down. I remember a story which I told long time before at one of the conferences or the events which probably I'd been. And I told the audience a story about how we perceive life and how ego encapsulates everything. A group of architects worldwide from the batch met after 25 years. And they met in the same college. So the professor, who was a learned guy, told them, why don't you come at my home? Because he used to make some of the best coffees you can ever drink. As the professor was a bachelor, he had small cups in his room. So there were different kind of 6 cups maximum. There were about 30 people at that time. And when these people went there, when the architects went there, they were discussing what you have achieved, what I have achieved, and they were again pinpointing on others as to, that you have achieved so many things, I don't have this, you have this, and keep on crying and the typical stuff that happens. And they were, even after having a lot of things in life, which few of us are really lucky to have, we were again crying on what the other had and what they didn't have. Funnily, the professor asked, okay guys, let's stop the discussion. I'm going to make a coffee for you. So everyone got excited. The professor went inside, and these guys, all the top people in architecture you can ever known of, the batch students meeting after 25 years, are discussing the same things. So he picks up some cups which are available at his home, 6 cups. Then he finds some plastic cups, he finds some use and throw cups, and he matches everything to get 30 cups of coffee. As he gets the tray out, some of the students help him to get it out. Now there were those 6 cups which were beautiful cups with the silver foiling and the golden texture, designs and everything. And few people immediately got up from the chair and took those cups. The others took the use and throw cups, the others took the plastic cups, and they took it out. These were just a simple task. But those who took those beautifully designed cups started telling to others, hey, look what I've got. The professor saw that and said something very wonderful, which is a lesson in this video. He said, guys, what did you all want to have? Simple cup of coffee. But what you all are having right now is a ego talk. Rather than enjoying the coffee sip by sip, you're now talking of how you got it. And life is all about these complex things where happiness is what we want, but surrounding the materialistic things around that, we are so much into it that we lose the essence of having the beauty of life, a sip of coffee. Enjoy yours, and I'll catch you up on the other video. Thank you for watching this.